I'm gonna conversate with her for a little, then after that, I'm gonna just like lean in, try to kiss her type vibe. I hope this really works. That's on. There she is. Come in. Yes, we're talking.
Yeah.
About you and I. Hey yo, what's good? It's your friendly neighborhood content creator, Alkido. You know what it is, man. I'm YouTube Spider-Man. I'm back, baby. So, like, I want to do a quick intro. So, let me tell you what I'm doing today. So, I invited one of my restmates, Nature, over to my room. Just to chill. And then when she pulls up, I'm just like conversate with her a little bit. Then I'm like go on, like I feel you type vibes. You feel me, like Shella here or something. So, like I'm gonna talk to her like for some time. I'm gonna use a mic. I don't know how. I'm gonna talk to her for some time. I don't know where I'm gonna put the phone, but then you'll see. So I'm gonna conversate with her for a little, then after that I'm gonna just like lean in, try to kiss her type vibe and see what she does. Watch till the end. Alright, so she's on her way here now. I'm just gonna place this here. Hopefully she won't see it, cause the fuck. Yeah, I think it's good. Let me I hope she doesn't ask me. Bro. But then I had to jump in. How she don't ask me nothing. Let me put the mic here. Somewhere here. Then I'll cover it with the jacket. Yeah. So when she comes in, I'm gonna be like, I don't know, watching anime and stuff. I hope this really works. That's on. There she is. Come in. Hi. Yep. Yeah. I think it's so shame. Phone was fine. I'm really trying to see you eat. No, I'm trying to see you eat right now because you hardly eat. Yo, dude, shit that happened. Thing is, I don't want to tell you everything because you're thinking para and stuff.
Oh, I mean, Jaraban's my part.
Yeah. I was it most easy, blah blah blah. A lot happened, really.
I was even bored,
Because you are my friend.
The only thing that I did was studying and then going to sleep.
And because it period I'm a poor one.
I'm fun now. But when time?
We did a lot. We did a lot. But luckily we didn't go groove. I don't know why I said luckily, but then yeah, we didn't go groove.
What's wrong with
I wanted to shoot content. Yeah, that's why I went home. Because I wanted to shoot content. So I get there. Okay, on Friday, ne? Yeah, there was an event. I think Steezy, what was this? The fuck? Steezy was at I don't know, his yeah, Steezy was at his granny's house. Yeah, I don't know what's in where up his man, but then he got back like, I don't know, probably like an hour. Ah, he got back after 30 minutes. Then we met up because I got to Ngodini, then Chila at TV's place and stuff. I didn't straight up. I want to see the template. I didn't like the fuck. Oh yeah. It's scary. Wow, your man's. So yeah, like we just linked up. He was with his little nigga. Then we went to his house. Little nigga.
Who's little nigga? It's a person.
Yeah. No, it's not his name. It's like his little nigga, like his little cousin, I guess. So like I then what the fuck is that?
That's how white people used to call black people like apartheid. She's so
The
pretty.
fuck? How the fuck do you know about apartheid? Dude? Grade 4. The fuck? You still remember shit from what, 2013? Nah, dude, but then yeah, little nigga. So like we went to chill at his place. Yeah. Lungs were being ashed out. Huh? Ban. The one about to say I was smoking.
You didn't smoke?
So like yeah. Besibalele by the time sekumele go shoot content and stuff. Malana, like Steezy was waiting for his girl and stuff though. So better, he chose pussy over content.
Wow.
Come on.
You would do that too.
You think so? You think I'd choose?
Yeah,
the fuck? You drinking water?
That's it.
Oh, there's no juice.
I don't like juice.
You don't like juice? Okay. So yeah. Yeah, second is not shooting content. Then on Saturday, almost the same shit happened because Stacey was with his hand. Blah blah blah. Nan. At least you ate.
Yes.
What's the comb for?
To stem.
Step ban mean?
While joking.
So on Saturday, same thing happened. Then Sunday, I kaya early and stuff. That's basically it. But then it was an adventure. But wait, I'm telling you, Ube Kazinja is just next level.
By scope, I see more.
Cause next thing,
I don't want people.
I want to see the food.
Where's your phone?
My phone is with Tato. She's taking pictures and stuff. It's your fucking FYP. I'm not saving this. Like these are videos you watch on a daily when you scroll.
The only video that I sent you was the one that someone was trying to take food from the guy's plate. Do you remember that one? Do you even watch my videos that I send you?
I do watch them. Wait, let's check. Yep. Man, let's check. What?
No, watch that one.
Nah, bro, wait. Okay. Wow. Oh, you sent it yesterday. Yeah. I didn't have data. I don't think I saw this one.
You didn't see everything from the. You only saw.
The wrong Lion King. Yeah, check. Yeah,
No,
check.
wait. You wanted to see the video. Leave that one. You're watching alone.
Oh,
This one.
this one.
Yes, this one. You even reacted to it. Oh, Rekamang.
No, I ngasakumbu. I'd forgotten.
You see? Yeah. Yeah.
But then, how the fuck can someone eat this much food? Ha! He licked his fingers. T says hi. Oh, T say hi.
Come on, Gio. People that follow me, I don't even know them.
Why do they even follow you?
Why?
Because you don't like shoot videos. The fuck? Guess you're meant to be an influencer and stuff. I need to go back home and shoot content this time around. After Friday, Vele, I'm shoot. Oh, when you go, things will meeting shoot content. Can no one fatam? Yeah. Wow.
I don't know why you're lying.
I'm lying. The fuck? Why would I even lie?
She doesn't have the first line. She had like blue eyes. Now she doesn't.
Contact lenses.
Yeah, people are saying it's real. It's real. She's a black ice queen. What?
Dion.
No, she's black.
Egg.
Oh, she's black.
Senpai. Black.
Yes.
Oh,
this is hers. Oh, it's it's not named Eptune. So they make names.
Senpai.
They make names. People make names. People are creative.
Hey, she's Indian, that one. When I remember my birthday, she's at the corner, but no one to surprise me.
Sure.
Do you want a birthday surprise? She hates surprises.
I'm joking. I don't know. Anything that involves my birthday is
Oh, come on, boy. I'm crazy. Oh my god, Saturday. Stop.
Logo.
Dinner.
Yeah.
Stop summer, guys. You're about to eat banger on campus. Everyone's gonna be looking at you. Oh, nature.
And they don't say anything.
Pagsabiran.
Maybe it's my poker too. Remember, I don't want people to talk to me. Put on my headphones, poker face, don't smile.
Maybe.
Why am I smiling?
Like, most people think you're rude and stuff.
Yes, they do. And I want that for my life. Don't talk to me.
Talk to my lawyer.
Yeah.
Kubinhlanhla mina ngingabi-lawyer. Kambe ngiyapheka namuhla athi ngisendele le video le ngishayele le recipe le. Sesiyadla. Honestly, like, I didn't come back to feed you all, guys. The fuck? Mina ngifuna kuhamba. Descendants. Oh. Yeah. You yabona Descendants. Yeah, Cameron Boys, ne? Hey, he was my favorite.
My big sister cried.
Yeah, it was really painful. He was a dope actor. But did you hear the whole thing about Joseph? Uti Ufenjan? And he say he, like, there were police, like, and stuff, and then he, like, overdosed on the drugs because there were a lot. Apparently his, like, cameraman says, okay, if he wanted to get rid of the drugs, he could have easily flushed them away. Yeah, but then tholakala ukuthi vele yena he was overdosing himself because bebanokumcheck-a ukuthi angandluleli kule dosage yabo because he was taking way too much. Apparently in the background mabangekho bekasola shaye then aphinde aqhubeke makanako yabo, so it became way too much basically.
Yini maphele lawo?
Now they're cleaning.
Oh, they prefer looking good on campus than in the kitchen.
Oh shit, the kitchen is fucked up. Oh, but then it's in Northwest. It's not like
It does actually so.
The more you watch, the more. Vamakata njadi. Kumbe ngini.
They put the first picture.
Oh, when it? Because I'm like, what? The sister and it.
What?
Ha! You're hustling boyfriends. Whoa. Umile lapha abantu basebenzisa amafoni. Just takes the phone, runs away.
Shame, bamupele.
Big Brother Titans.
That will be painful.
Show me your bellies.
Huh?
They're showing bellies.
You want to see my daddy?
My friend, it's fine. You're always so in love. What are you thinking about? People are in love, so well that. No, I'm not saying anything about. Okay, wait, let's talk then.
Hey.
Yeah. You know. Why the serious face?
You want to talk? You think that many things are going to happen.
No, Uncle, because I could almost say yes, we're talking.
Yeah.
About you and I.
You and I.
Yes, us and stuff. No, I know we've been friends for long and stuff, but then, like, you can't tell me that, like, you don't see that I have a thing for you.
Everything fine.
Yeah, like, I feel you and all that.
Yeah.
What?
Joking, right?
I'm not joking. The fuck? Why would I joke about something like this?
You have a girlfriend.
What if I told you that my girlfriend is out of the picture?
Well, you're telling me you like me because your girlfriend is out of the picture.
No, like, okay, I wouldn't tell you that I like you with my girlfriend there and stuff. No, she's not on my date. We can do our things.
Why move the fastest off?
No, it's like I've been waiting for this opportunity. Really, my eye has always been on you. The fuck, you can't just laugh at me like that.
Oh. No. I'm surprised. That's the thing.
For real. I was hoping when I am.
This is weird.
How is it weird? No, when you're telling me like straight up, you didn't notice anything.
When are you always on a call with a girl?
When last did you see me like on call with my girl?
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It doesn't mean anything. You still talk though.
You think so? Because my phone is not here at show you. I could broke up and I want you.
Oh, Tika said Joshua.
What's up, Ope?
I'm not going to
Yeah, so like what do you say about that? You know, for Naskat, you want to think about it.
What's there to think about?
us, like being a thing,
I
being in a relationship, being yourself, like all that. Come here. What? Come on.
Hey, why? Oh.
What? You telling me that you don't
I'm not. I don't know. This. I don't know what's going on. Yo.
Do you need time to think about it?
Well, like you want to like destroy our weird friendship over weird
Crazy what?
feelings that
You think it's a fling? I love you.
Leave me alone.
Like, but then I'm being for real, so.
I know.
Like,
I told you my coping mechanism is laughing, so.
what you gonna do? You gonna think about it or what?
What's there to think about? Why you Jane?
I was.
Oh, God.
Come on.
I'm leaving now. We video call my friend.
Come here. Don't go.
You came back for me, lah.
Yeah.
Don't tell her. Understand me.
Go. Wait. Wait. Nature. Come on, I'm playing. Bella, play.
Don't ever play like that. Don't ever play like that. Now it's you and
So, what's good?
That's the point.
How do you feel?
Betrayed.
Why?
I'm speechless even.
So what if I wasn't joking though? Like, What if I was being for real? What if?
Oh.
No, like, cause it'd be fucked up in a way, is it? It would be.
Then shooting a video while I look like a car. That's fine. Like you have a new haircut.
This is the end of the video.
That's fine.
Tell them to like, share, subscribe, and stuff.
Like, share, and subscribe. But don't have friends who are YouTubers. You see now.
This is the end of the video, people. Wait, let me go plug the ring light. I look crusty now.
I miss my little sister, but when I see her, I know. Look where I want to.
Alright, guys, so that's the end of the video. There's your girl over there. So listen, but then yeah, road to 500 subs. Let's put in the subscribers, guys. Let's put in the subscribers. This is just the beginning. Might not be much, but then I hope I entertained y'all. So let's run up the subs to 500, né? And then after that, it's road to a K. Let's work.